就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and today we're going to introduce to you Robin Zhen Zhongwei, who writes most of his songs, but also has his mother write the lyrics. In fact, this song, Tongfa Anjiang, Beautiful Tongue Blossom, tells the story of Zhen's great-grandmother, who when she was young had to take lumber over a mountain to sell it and help make money for the family. And then she would tell these stories to her children and grandchildren, and while they were listening, they would look up and see the tongue blossoms. Hence the title, Tongfa Anjiang.
夜该清风吹，难得该好天时。牵连阿婆来散步，行到阿婆来讲古。讲起后生该时间，平平强融夜时，开条行过俩山路。上行下行千百回，年年赶路爱尽人，哪有缘好长俩下？清风吹得来散步看花，拍拍该痛拍。长的头发安静，牵连看连阿婆处处该受，爱心愿嘞，爱皮酸嘞，牵连看连阿婆发拍该跳那么。通发望得年年通发开再见那破看通发
统发案讲漂亮的桐花，就是曾仲伟所写的曲，母亲作词的一首歌哦，是在描述他这个外曾祖母年轻的时候必须挑着木材攀过山头去卖来补贴家计，再把这些故事讲给儿孙们听，他们一抬头就看到了漂亮的桐花，非常美的故事哦。That is today's Hakka song. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.